guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is my birthday and I wanted to do something fun. So we're gonna go on a ride in the RZR and I'm gonna glitter a cup. I'm gonna try to do it really good. I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna do ombre on one side, like a really pretty green. And then the other side, I'm gonna paint some leopard print and do glitter. So let's do this. I have my cup here ready. This is just prepped and spray painted and it's already getting like scratched up, but whatever, it is what it is. I have my 3 glitters that I'm going to use. So these are the greens that I'm going to do the ombre and the pink for the leopard print, and these are coming in my new desert collection coming out soon. And I'm just using some Mod Podge because obviously I don't want to do epoxy in the RZR. That would make a bigger mess. So I don't really know how this is gonna go, but we're on a mountain. We're on Raptor Mountain right now. So yeah, let's do this. All right, let's go. Let's do it.
Boy, that escalated quickly. I mean, that really got out of hand fast.
Oh my gosh. This cup is not that bad right now. So now I need to do the leopard spots.
Josh, how are we gonna get all this glitter out?
I don't know.
Ellie's devaluing the RZR by like 10 grand.
Hey, this is fun. Leopard spots. Try to make them look nice. And we only want to do a couple at a time. What just hit my head?
I have it in my butt crack.
How is it up there? I don't understand. Okay, there's a spider on my favorite towel.
Yeah, you'll be fine.
Okay, just stay over there, spider. If you come on my side, you're dead. Okay. There we go. Can we not go up steep things right now? I got this. Oh, feeling really nauseous. What? Not yet. A few more minutes. Okay, this leopard print is looking not great. gosh. All right guys, so I am done with my cup. I wrote razor riding, glitter flying because that's what happens. But there's the front, there's the back, and I actually survived that razor ride. May have gotten sick a couple times, but yeah, it's all clean. We cleaned it out, it cleaned out fine. No glitter left in there. I think I still have like glitter in my scalp though, so that's fun. But let me know what you guys want me to do for my next like cup challenge, because I think this could be a cool thing. And I challenge you guys to do some crazy stuff with your cups. Maybe not razor rides, but just do glitter on a cup in some crazy weird way and tag me. So yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.